Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify dynamic captions in CapCut for better engagement, full guide step by step clearly. To verify dynamic captions in CapCut for better engagement, start by opening the CapCut app on your device. Create a new project by tapping on the New Project button. Import the video you want to work with by selecting it from your device's gallery. Once your video is loaded, navigate to the bottom menu and tap on the text option. Select Auto Captions from the text options available. CapCut will analyze your video's audio and generate captions automatically. Once the captions are created, review them for accuracy by playing back the video. If you notice any errors, tap on the individual caption to edit the text directly. Feel free to adjust timing by dragging the edges of the caption box on the timeline. Next, consider the visual style of your captions for better engagement. Tap on each caption to access the styling options. You can change the font, size, color, and background of the captions to make them stand out. After making the necessary adjustments, preview the changes by playing through your video. Make sure the captions sync well with the spoken content. If everything looks good, it's time to finalize your project. Tap on the Export button located at the top right corner of the screen. Choose your desired resolution and frame rate before exporting. Once the export is complete, your video with dynamic captions is ready. Utilize these engaging captions to improve viewer retention and accessibility. By verifying and customizing your captions, you enhance the overall viewing experience for your audience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.